Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to list your property on Airbnb. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Airbnb, hit enter, and you will see www.airbnb.com's link. Click on the official website for Airbnb and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to basically click on the sign up button at the top and create a new Airbnb account. Now, after creating your account, you'll be on Airbnb's page. Or if you already have an account, just log into that account. So after creating your account, you'll be on Airbnb's page. We'll have to click on the switch to hosting button at the top of this page. When you click on switch to hosting, you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to click on listings option at the top. Now, click on this plus icon at the right side of the screen. Now, you'll be on this page. Choose create a new listing from start a new listing tab. You can also create from an existing listing, but we are going to click on create a new listing. Now click on get started. Now, first of all, you'll have to tell Airbnb about your place. So click on next. Now choose which type of these best describes your place, whether you have a house, apartment, barn, boat, cabin, castle, home, minsu, guest house, hotel, or anything else. So choose the type of place that you want to rent. I'm going to choose house. Now I'll click on next. Now I will choose what type of place will guests have, whether they will have the entire place for them, a room for them, or a shared room in a hostel. I will choose an entire place and click on next. Now I will have to enter my address in this field. Now you'll have to enter your address credentials and click on next button. Now after doing this, you can drag on the map to reposition this pin on your exact location. So just navigate to your exact location and drop this pin. This place will be listed as your place on Airbnb. So click on next after this and you'll be on another page. Here, you'll have to share some basics about your place, like how many guests can your place have? I will choose 10. How many bedrooms does your place have? I will choose 3. How many beds does your place have? I will choose 4. Now choose the amount of bathrooms your place has. I will choose 6. Now I will click on next and it will take me to step 2 where you'll have to make your place stand out. Click on next and tell guests what your place has to offer, whether you have Wi-Fi, TV, kitchen, paid parking on premises, washing machine, AC, free parking on premises, or a dedicated workspace. You can also choose to have standout amenities like pools, hot tubs, fire pit, piano, beach access, outdoor shower, lake access, pool table, and different amenities. Also choose do you have any of these safety items like smoke alarm, first aid kit. So you can choose these amenities and click on next. Now it will take you to this step where you'll have to just add some photos of your house. So I will click on add photos button, click on browse. This will open up my PC's directory where I will have to choose the pictures from my houses that I had already taken. So click on browse and then select the photos that you want to upload and click on open. Now click on the upload icon at the bottom right side of the screen and this will instantly upload your photos. Now you can see you have to choose at least 5 photos. Now after adding these photos, you'll have to simply click on next button. You can also rearrange them just on the previous page. After doing that, name your house anything you want. I will add the name of my house as Fun Palace. Now I will click on next. Now choose what describes your house, whether it is peaceful, unique, family friendly, stylish, central or spacious. After choosing this, click on next and you can create your description. You can type 500 characters, click on next. Now click on next button. It will ask pick your booking settings. You can choose to approve your first 5 bookings or use instant book. Guests can book automatically. So you can click on approve your first 5 bookings and click on next. Now you can choose whom to welcome for your first reservation, any Airbnb guest or an experienced guest. This depends on you. It is your preference, so choose any one of these options and click on next. Now set a weekday base price. So click on this pencil icon and set a price that you want. Click on next. After setting the price, click on next and you can also add a premium for Fridays and Saturdays. You can increase this and click on next. After doing this, you can add discounts. You can help your place stand out to get booked faster and on your first reviews. You can choose these discounts if you want, and if you don't want them, just deselect the discount that you don't want and click on next. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to just choose does your place have exterior security camera present, noise decibel monitor present, and do you have any weapons on property. Choose any one of these if you have them. If not, just skip this and click on create listing. After you do this, you would have successfully created your listing and it will appear just like this. Click on finish up and basically verify your identity. After you verify your identity, your place will be successfully listed. As you can see, I have already listed this place that I just added. You can click it and it will show up like this. So that is a simple way through which you can list your property on Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.